Hi, my name is Lakynn Bourque and I'm so excited to be part of Weiler Plastic Surgery. I started my journey in aesthetics at the Aveda Institute in 2020 and later trained at the National Laser Institute in Dallas, Texas. I've always had a passion for helping people feel confident in their own skin, and I love that this career lets me combine skincare knowledge with building real connections with people. I love building client relationships. It's one of my favorite parts of being an esthetician. I found that being truthful really helps build that trust and makes patients feel comfortable and cared for. One of my favorite treatments is microneedling because of how effective and versatile it is. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, texture, and even uneven skin tone. I love that it stimulates the body's natural collagen and elastin production, giving patients long-lasting, natural-looking results. It's so rewarding to watch someone's skin transform and see their confidence grow with each treatment. I also make it a priority to stay current in the field by attending trainings, learning new techniques, and keeping up with the latest treatments and technology. I think it's so important to bring patients the most effective and up-to-date care. I was drawn to Weiler Plastic Surgery because of its incredible reputation, innovative treatments, and patient-first philosophy. I knew right away it was the kind of place where I could grow and provide the best care possible. The most rewarding moments for me are seeing patients transform not just in their skin, but in their confidence. I often remind them that consistency is key. Lasting results come from professional treatments paired with a good at-home routine. What makes Weiler Plastic Surgery stand out is the professionalism and genuine care shown to every single patient. I'm grateful to be a part of a team that puts patients first while staying at the forefront of aesthetics.